Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your life and thought, how did I end up here? Not in a dramatic way, just tired, behind, a little disappointed in yourself. Your habits slipped. Your focus disappeared. You keep saying you'll restart, but you don't. If that's you, good. Because this video isn't about changing your life overnight. It's about resetting it in 30 days. Not with motivation, not with extreme routines, but with small daily shifts that quietly compound. Let's break it down. First, understand this. You don't need a new life. You need a new rhythm. Most people try to reset by going extreme. They wake up at 5 a.m., delete all social media, start intense workouts, plan their entire month, and by day 4, they're exhausted. A real reset is different. It's structured. It's simple. It builds momentum, slowly. So here's the 30-day framework. 4 weeks, 4 focuses. Week 1, clean the surface. Don't change your personality, change your environment. Your room, your desk, your phone, your schedule. Clutter creates friction. When your space is messy, your mind feels messy. So, for the first 7 days, your only job is this. Remove what drains you. Clean your workspace. Unfollow accounts that make you compare yourself. Delete apps you don't need. Go to bed slightly earlier. Nothing extreme. Just reduce noise. Why this matters? Because willpower is limited. Environment isn't. If your space supports you, discipline becomes easier. Week 1 is about clarity. Week 2, control your mornings. You don't need a 10-step morning routine. You need a predictable start. Wake up at the same time. No phone for the first 20 minutes. Do one small intentional action. That's it. It could be journaling 1 page, stretching for 5 minutes, reading 2 pages, planning your day. The goal isn't productivity. The goal is identity. When you win the first 30 minutes of your day, you subconsciously tell yourself, I'm in control. And that changes everything. Now, here's where most people fail. Week 3. Motivation fades. The reset no longer feels exciting. This is where the real transformation begins. Week 3. 1 keystone habit. Don't improve everything. Choose one habit that improves other areas. Examples: daily 20-minute walk, 30 minutes of focused work, no phone after 10 p.m., tracking expenses. Just one. Why? Because success creates evidence, and evidence builds confidence. You don't need 10 habits. You need proof that you can stay consistent. This week is about momentum. Small, repeatable, boring, but powerful. You might feel resistance here. You'll think, this is too simple. I should be doing more. This won't change much. Ignore that voice. Compounding feels invisible, until it isn't. Week 4, raise the standard slightly. Now, and only now, you increase difficulty. Add 10 more minutes. Improve your diet slightly. Wake up 15 minutes earlier. Replace one bad habit intentionally. Not dramatically, just enough to stretch yourself. By week 4, you're not forcing change anymore. You're reinforcing identity. You're no longer trying to reset. You're becoming someone who follows through. And that's the real reset. Let me be honest. In 30 days, your life won't look perfect, but you'll feel different. More stable, more in control, less chaotic. And that internal shift is what creates external change later. Most people try to jump 10 levels ahead, but resets don't work like that. They work quietly, like interest in a bank account, tiny deposits, every day. Now, a few rules to protect your reset. Don't announce it. Don't make it dramatic. Don't expect fast results. This is not a transformation montage. It's a recalibration. Also, if you miss a day, continue. No restarting the 30 days. No guilt spiral. Consistency isn't perfection. It's returning quickly. Here's what usually happens by day 20. You start feeling proud. Not because everything is fixed, but because you kept going. And pride is powerful. It makes discipline easier. It makes self-doubt quieter. It makes procrastination weaker. Because now you have proof. So, let's recap. If you want to reset your life in 30 days, Week 1, clean your environment, reduce noise. Week 2, control your mornings, build identity. Week 3, focus on one keystone habit, build momentum. Week 4, raise the standard slightly, reinforce discipline. Simple structure, small actions, compounded daily. And tonight, don't try to design the perfect 30-day plan. Just do one thing. Clean your desk, set your alarm, write tomorrow's top task. One small action. That's how resets begin. Not with hype, not with pressure, but with quiet decisions. So, if you're ready to reset, start today. Not perfectly, just intentionally. You don't need motivation. You need reminders. Subscribe if you're ready to reset your life step by step.